Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the example basic drawable animation in Android. It's very simple, but you need an image for create the animation and XML file. First, create Android project for this example. Next, add image to Drawable by right-click and select Show in Explorer. After that, copy the image you want to use as drawable animation. Next, create XML file inside Drawable folder to define animation list and add your image to items in animation list. After that, add image view and button to layout for simulation the animation. Next, add code to load XML file that contain animation list and set button to run the animation. After that, run the project. Okay, now you know how to use drawable animation in Android. I hope this example can help you to learn Android as beginner. And I suggest you to read the documentation for more information. Link in the description. Please support by subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.